In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Apollo. By the end, your Gmail account will be securely connected to Apollo so you can send emails directly from the platform, log replies automatically, and keep your outreach organized without extra manual work. First, open Apollo.io in your browser and sign in to your workspace. Make sure you have access to the account you want to connect and that you're using a browser where you're already signed into Google or have your login details handy. It also helps to disable any strict pop-up blockers for the site, since Google's sign-in often opens in a new window. Once you're in Apollo, head to Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon in the top navigation. Settings is where Apollo keeps all account-level preferences and integrations, including your email connections. Inside Settings, look for the Mailboxes section. This is the dedicated area for adding or managing the email accounts that Apollo can use to send and track messages. Opening Mailboxes will show any existing connections, plus the option to add a new one. Choose Link Mailbox. This tells Apollo you're about to connect a new email provider. A dialog or new screen will appear asking you which provider you want to use. Select Gmail or Google from the list. Apollo supports several providers, but choosing Gmail Google ensures the correct authentication flow with Google's security standards and the right set of permissions for sending and syncing. Next, sign in to your Google account. If you see multiple accounts, pick the one you use for work in Apollo. If prompted, enter your Google credentials in the secure Google window. Keep this process inside the Google sign-in frame. Don't share credentials anywhere else. When Google shows the permissions screen, click Allow. These permissions let Apollo send emails on your behalf and read relevant mailbox data to log and track messages. Review the access, make sure it looks right for your use case, and then confirm. If you're on a managed Google workspace, ensure your admin allows third-party connections like Apollo. Finally, confirm the mailbox is connected in Apollo. You should see a success message or a connected status next to your Gmail account in the Mailboxes page. If the status doesn't update right away, refresh the page. If a pop-up was blocked during sign-in, enable pop-ups for Apollo and try again. Persistent permission errors can indicate an admin policy. Check with your workspace admin if needed. That's it. You opened Apollo, went to Settings, selected Mailboxes, linked a mailbox, chose Gmail, signed in, allowed permissions, and confirmed the connection. You're ready to start emailing from Apollo with your Gmail account.